There's a moment in every seeker's life when curiosity turns into calling, when we no longer just believe in the unseen but start longing to experience it. The spirit world has always existed around us, subtle, vast, and filled with intelligence and love. But to truly connect with it, we need a sacred bridge, a place between this world and the next. Hello and welcome back to Adsway Online Classes YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it so far, and please do share our videos. Hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications of our next upload. Now let's dive into our new video. In today's video, I'll guide you through the gentle art of creating a spirit room, your personal sanctuary of light, and how to invite and communicate with higher beings safely and meaningfully. Think of the spirit room as a doorway between dimensions, not a physical portal, but an energetic one. It's a space where your mind, body, and energy align to welcome higher frequencies. The purpose of the sacred space is not to summon the unknown, but to create harmony between your spirit and the spiritual planes. Every time you enter it, you remind your subconscious that you are stepping into a different vibration, one of peace, openness, and divine respect. Find a quiet room or a private room, somewhere you feel naturally safe and calm. It does not matter how big or small it is. What matters is how it feels. Begin by cleansing it, physically and energetically. You can use incense, sage, or even soft music to lift the vibration. As you clean, speak your intention clearly. Practice this. Say, "This is a space of light, love, and wisdom. Only energies of the highest good may enter here." Now decorate your sacred space with symbols that resonate with you. A white candle for purity, a crystal for focus, a bowl of water for clarity, or an image of your spiritual guide. You're not just decorating, you're anchoring energy. Each object becomes a reminder of your purpose. When everything feels right, close your eyes and visualize a golden light descending from above, filling the entire room. See it expanding, swirling, and sealing the space in divine protection. The light will remain long after you leave, like an echo of your spiritual presence. Before calling any spirit, align yourself. Sit comfortably, breathe slowly, and let your body relax. The calmer your energy, the clearer the connection. Visualize a beam of white light flowing through your crown, down your spine, and deep into the earth. You are now grounded, balanced between the higher realm and earth. This energy alignment ensures that the spirits who respond will match your vibration of peace and love. Remember, your state of mind is your greatest protection. Fear attracts confusion, peace attracts truth. When you're ready, say softly, "I welcome the spirits of light, wisdom, and love. I ask only those who serve my highest good to come forward." Feel the atmosphere shift. Maybe the air feels thicker, cooler, or softer around you. Sometimes you'll notice a gentle tingling, or the flame of your candle may flicker as energy moves. Now speak from your heart. You may ask for guidance, clarity, or even simply for presence. Just say, "If you're here, let me sense your presence." Allow silence to do the rest. The answers may come as feelings, images, thoughts, or even sudden insight. Spirit communication is not about hearing loud voices, it's about learning to listen differently. When your session feels complete, express gratitude. Say, "I thank the beings of light for their presence. You are now released in love. Return to your realm in peace." This is very important. You need to say this. Visualize the golden light filling the room again, brighter, warmer, sealing all energies in balance. You may choose to end by ringing a bell, clapping softly, or blowing out the candle. These actions signal closure, bringing your energy back into the physical plane. Then ground yourself, drink water, stretch, or step outside. Always return to the present with a calm heart. Creating a spirit room is more than just preparing a physical space. It's about building a relationship with the unseen. Each time you enter that space, you strengthen the bridge between your soul and the higher realms. The more love, intention, and respect you bring, the deeper the communication becomes. Over time, your spirit room will feel alive, infused with peace, like an invisible friend who listens even when you say nothing. So go gently, approach your practice, not with fear or haste, but with the quiet confidence of one who knows that the universe is always listening. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and give the video a thumbs up if you like this video.